I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly up. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty.
Yan guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Wanderlust once again.
Getting stronger.
Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat dyan, of course, sa patuloy na panunood ng ating mga videos. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, kindly hit subscribe. Isama nyo na rin ang bell button para you are keep updated and notified sa next nating mga videos. So for today's video guys, we are going to a boat trip.
You're so
Magbo-boating tayo, boat trip tayo for a day. Punta kami ng Breakwater Bay Beach.
above the sky.
Kaya maaga pa kami umalis ng bahay. So far, it's around 9 in the morning.
We are heroes tonight.
So, samahan nyo ako for this another day, another adventure of mine. By the way guys, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat dyan. Shout out sa bawat isa. As always, thank you for your unending support for me, for my channel.
Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need
Since na this is a day trip, boat trip tayo, so nag-prepare ako nagdala kami ng mga pagkain.
I've been flying from
Just a bread, a roast chicken, binili lang, and then gumawa lang ako ng salad. Ayun, so all in all, we are
protect your soul.
12 yata kami or 11.
Heroes
Kasama ng kaibigan ng aking mga amo. So, of course,
we are
ayan guys.
heroes tonight.
Ewan ko ba bakit yung mga Australian ang hilig-hilig nila sa dagat. Halos araw-araw. Hindi naman araw-araw, I mean na
Above the sky.
lagi kaming nasa beach.
Heroes tonight.
Tapos as you can see, halos lahat merong mga yate. And meron pang mga houses na parang by the river yung bahay nila. So ayan guys, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat dyan. Samahan nyo ako for this day. I hope you will enjoy another adventure of mine na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. So this is here in Australia.
Tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah, I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
Magandang experience kaso lang napakainit dito ngayon sa Australia. Grabe yung init. So, sobra as in. Pero makikita mo yung mga Australian talagang nagbibilad pa sila sa araw. So, international ang aking kasama ngayon kasi ngayong kaibigan ni amo ko merong, syempre yung Australian at saka yung meron din French at saka yung isang couple na Polish. Polish ba yun? Ayun, so international ang aking mga kasama ngayon. May Chinese.
We'll go.
Plus si amo ko na British.
Wastelands through the highways. And on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Actually, sa previous ko na video ay, di ba nakita nyo naman na beach din kami noon.
Horizon.
Surfing naman, swimming. Sila. Ngayon, boat trip na naman.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
And guys, malalaki yung mga bahay dyan. Ang gaganda. Tapos pag i-close up mo, may mga swimming pool pa. Tapos may sariling mga yacht. Nagiging roast tayo today. Missing lang si Jack.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Yeah.
So yung makikita nyo guys, yan yung bahay na yan. Yan ang pinakamalaking bahay so far. Diyan. O diba?
With
Malaki yun.
secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still.
Ang gaganda.
Thrill. My bones crave your skin. Temptation within. Mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting.
So what we do is just nag-enjoy lang ng view. Sila nagiinuman.
Heart afire.
O diba, party-party music. Ganun ang life nila.
Heart on fire. Set my heart.
Ayan, so we stop there guys. Kasi nga, it is safe na lumangoy. At saka punta kami ng isla. Tingnan natin kung anong meron doon. Ayan, 'di ba? Napakainit. So we're going to the other side. Yan ang aking mga kasama. Naglakad lang kami. Pero yung iba ay sumakay ng paddle boat.
Kidding, why?
Pero ako naglakad lang kasi ayokong sumakay. Gusto kong mag-explore sa isla papunta sa kabila. So, sumama ako sa mga lalaki. Ayan.
Set my heart
Sobrang init. Wala kaming mga tsinelas kaya kailangan mong tumakbo kasi para kang sinusunog sa buhangin. Mga kaibigan na aking amo yan. Kasi sabi nila, sa kabilang side daw, may mga isda doon, malalaking isda na kahit na tumayo ka, kusa silang lumalapit sa'yo. So, tingnan natin kung totoo nga, kung tunay nga. Grabe guys, yung mga Australia, napansin ko na talagang very, ano sila, earth friendly. Talagang environmental, ano ba yun sila? At saka bawal kang mamulot ng mga shells doon na dalhin kasi nga yung isang anak ng kaibigan ng amo ko kumuha ng shell pero pinabalik kasi nga bawal daw. So bawal manguha ng shell. So hindi ka pwedeng magdala, manguha ng kahit ano. You leave nothing but your footprints. Kailangan mo lang dalhin yung mga basura mo. Wala kang pwedeng iwanan, kundi yung tanging bakas mo lang. So, ayan. Hindi kasi ako naligo. Ayoko kasing maligo, kaya hindi ako lumusong ng tubig. Pero guys, nakita ko yung mga isda na habang nakatayo ka, kusa silang lalapit sa'yo. Ayan, so this is it for today. After naming pumunta dyan sa island, bumalik kami ng boat. Nagbanlaw. At getting ready na umuwi na kasi magdi-dinner kami ng 6 p.m. Ayan, Rose and Jack. Yan guys, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na panunood. And see you on the next one. Isa lang ang lagi kong sinasabi na whatever you do in life, make sure that it makes you happy kasi sa buhay natin walang rewind. O diba? Thank you so much and see you on the next one. Bye and God bless everyone.